What if I told you most of the internet isn't on Google? Think of the internet like an ocean. The part you use every day, Google, YouTube, news sites, that's the surface layer. It's the part search engines can easily find and list when you type something in. In simple terms, if Google can show it in search results, it's part of the surface web. Below that is something called the deep web. That's part of the internet that isn't publicly visible. It includes things like your online banking account, medical records, academic databases, and work emails. If you've ever logged into a website, you've used the deep web. And at the very bottom of the ocean is the dark web. The dark web is a small part of the deep web that requires special software to access, most commonly a browser called Tor, short for the onion router. Tor works by wrapping your internet activity in multiple layers of protection, like layers of an onion, and sending it through several computers around the world before it reaches its destination. Each computer along the way only knows the step before it and the step after it, never the entire route. Instead of your connection going directly from you to a website, it takes a long, indirect path. That makes it difficult to trace who you are or where you're connecting from. And that's exactly what makes the dark web controversial. Law enforcement agencies have documented multiple criminal marketplaces operating there. At the same time, anonymous networks are also used by journalists, researchers, and everyday individuals who need to communicate without censorship or surveillance. So the dark web itself isn't inherently illegal. It's an environment built for anonymity, and that alone doesn't make it good or bad. It just depends on how it's used.